Hey Rod, want to show a quick video for you here. Show you how to use this shifter in case you've never used one before. I'm going to pull it outside so we got a little more light. Alright, so no tricks to the car as far as any fuel pump switches or anything like that. Just turn the key and go. For the shifter though, it's a Quicksilver shifter. It's got your shift pattern here, but it won't do anything if you just pull on it. So you have to lift up and then it will go down. There's reverse, then you can ratchet down, neutral, drive. Go back to park, you're gonna lift the whole thing up again. Go back to park. Right now it's doing a high idle, so just one quick brings that idle back down to normal for you. All right, man. Hope you enjoy it.